What Jeff said, thanks to you guys for coming along, helping week in, week out, keeping us all under control, which you don't, and we don't control you, which is a happy medium. Thanks for all the work you do. But I've got a special announcement that we have live members, some may be in the room at the moment, but I'd like to announce I'm going to actually, or we've decided, to give Mr. Sinister live membership. Honorary live membership. Honorary live membership. And if anybody trips over a tin of paint, he's your man. Right, we've got to go back to Staffordshire, which is quite in the hall. So thanks a lot. Have a happy Christmas and a good New Year. Tony, hello. Well, no speech back.
No, just you can do this because I can't get out. The ladies will do some of this for us.
Ladies, they're sitting next to each other as well. There you go, ladies. Linda, Janet, for all your marvellous work.
Thank you very much.
From Alan, how are you?
Thank you very much.
Don't forget the paint on.
Yeah.